tears, pain. You never left my side, you remained the same. And I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey gems, it's Tayshawn Miller. I am starting off this hairstyle with some Jamora braiding hair. It is like the expression. It is in the color 99J, 100% Kankalon. I am going to be showing you how to turn any of your old full lace wigs, possibly that are messed up, have holes in them, or maybe the lace is messed up. I'm going to show you how to transform that into a 2-layer middle part feed-in braid wig. So as you can see, I've already started my wig when I decided to do the video, because I was just making a random, wig. I'm sorry, just for myself. But I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and just show them. So again, this is one of those wigs that I too much didn't care for, that had like the mesh in the middle before they upgraded to the total full lace units. So that is the reason why I decided to go ahead and braid. So I'm just right now parting it. And to get a clean part, I love to use my metal rat tail combs because it gives more of a precise part. So here's the important part. People always ask me when I'm doing my feed-in braids, how am I tearing my parts? How many pieces do I use? So I'm just showing you here. So I like to start off small and I go bigger. I know some people just get about maybe 5 to 6 pieces and they're all the exact same width or amount. I myself really don't like to do that, for the simple fact because I like the braid to start off a little small and then gradually get bigger. Now, unless I'm going to go ahead and do braids where they just start off small and then gigantically get big instantly, then that method would be okay. But other than that, no. So as you can see there, how I'm showing you that last piece, how big it was in comparison to the first piece. Sometimes I like to put product on my units when I'm braiding. So I'm using here my Elastic Care QP. It's very good. It's something like a edge control, and it really helps with this hair because this hair, by it being so long, it does have some of those short bearded pieces in there, and it just helps keep it smooth. So I am starting, guys, please forgive my ashy hands. Looks like I've been preparing concrete all day. So I start off with the hair originally, and then I go ahead and add my first piece of hair. I can't explain to you how to do that. That's just something you're just going to have to look at, and I don't know. But once I go down, I braid down about 2 times, and then I feed in my next piece, wrap it in, hold it up, and then I pull it back down and continue to braid it. Some people feed in their braids under the bottom, which I really, really, really think is an awesome way to do it. I myself just don't know how to do it. So guess what? She's going to keep feeding into the top and kicking the piece over, going back, picking it up and adding it until she learns how to do it. So anyways, I'm at my 3rd piece now. And like I said, I put it in, I braid down, add the last piece. It's a little tangled there, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add the last piece. Braid down. Braid down. Now, sometimes, depending on how thick the hair is, I may braid down maybe more than 2 times. I may braid 3 or 4 times. 5 or 6 is just something that you actually have to eyeball. I will say, because this hair is already thick and long, I was able to eliminate using a lot of the pieces. I think I might have torn out 5 to 6 pieces but I didn't get to feed all of them in simply because as I braid it down, this hair is so thick. I'm talking about the hair on the unit. It's so thick and it's so full that it just made the braid look really nice. So I didn't need to add any more hair.
And lips won't let me go.
Okay, so once again, I am starting over, starting off braiding with the beginning of the hair. And not just for the wigs, this goes for anybody who hair I do. I always try to start off with their hair just so it looks a little bit more natural. Now, if their hair is really thin or really short, or if it's like patchy and I can't, then what I usually like to do is just take a tiny piece of braiding hair, start off and still do my feed-in method with gradually getting bigger. And that's it. It's really repetitive. I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys finish watching.
Hold on tight. Yeah, hold on tight. Hold on tight. Them lips won't let me go. Lips won't let me go. Hold on tight. Yeah, hold on tight. Hold on tight. Them lips won't let me go.
Okay, so I am done, guys. I am so happy. So I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite mousse. And I'm going to mousse my mannequin. All my braided wigs get treated this way. I mousse them. I tie the wrap strips around them and let them dry. Sometimes I put them under the hair dryer, or I let them air dry. I dip them in hot water. If I'm going to put any beads or anything on, I do that. If not, then I leave it as is. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what it looked like. Yeah, and thanks for watching. If you guys have any suggestions or any videos that you would like to see me get out there, please email me at chinkgirl@icloud.com. chinkgirl@icloud.com, or you can simply just drop it in the comment section, and when I get to the video and look at my comments, I'll be sure I will take in consideration your request. Thank you guys again for watching. I love you all, and definitely I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Hold on tight. Yeah, hold on tight. Hold on tight. Them lips won't let me go. Lips won't let me go. Hold on tight. Yeah, hold on. tight. Them lips won't let me go.